Hello everyone, this is my first video. I would not care if y'all want to subscribe to this channel. Today we will be learning HTML, which is a programming language used for web development like Google, Microsoft Edge, Ethernet, etc. Firstly, we would look at a function in HTML called paragraph. A paragraph in HTML is like what you write in a normal essay. Next, we use headings to change the size of the words. It has only 6 stages, which are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. The bigger the number, the smaller the word gets. It is used for website titles, subtitles, and more. Remember to always add a less than sign and the greater than sign, less than and greater than. If not, it won't work. Sorry, but I forgot I couldn't show the results, so I would put it in the comments. When you use the function paragraph, even if you write the code on multiple lines when the code is too long within the paragraph box, the HTML program will still display it as one line. Lastly, we use the function preformatted text to tell the browser to display the text exactly as it is written in the source code, preserving specific layouts. For example, if the code has only one line, the browser only shows one line, and if the code is written in multiple lines, the browser would show multiple lines. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.